First, you will need to have Steam installed on your computer. If you don't have it already, head over to steampowered.com and download the Steam client. Follow the installation instructions to get Steam up and running. Once Steam is installed, create an account or log in with your existing credentials. The Steam account is necessary to purchase and download Garry's mod. Now, in the Steam store, search for Garry's mod using the search bar at the top right corner. Click on the Garry's mod result from the search. This will take you to the game's store page. Scroll down to the purchase options and add Garry's mod to your cart. Complete the purchase process using your preferred payment method. After the purchase, Garry's mod will automatically begin downloading to your Steam library. You can check the progress in the download section. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Steam library, find Garry's mod, and click the play button. Garry's mod will launch. You are ready to build, explore, and create anything your mind can imagine. Now go have some fun.